That's our show. Thanks for watching. If you'll excuse me, Polly and I have some migratory habits to investigate. See ya. Are you there, Polly? You there?
Our science guy.
Produced in association with the National Science Foundation.
What is this thing?
That, Jackie, is a cockatiel.
That sounds poisonous.
And we'd like to thank our guest again, Melinda McCready, the Animal Lady. Thanks for being with us. I'm Jackie Smazz. So long. Whatever happened to that bird you had around here anyway?
All the other ones are accounted for. I don't see that one anywhere.
On your head, Jack.
On my head. Good one, yeah. On my head. What is that, some kind of a lingo you bird people use? Get him off me, would you? Get him off me.
Get him off me! Come on, move him on!